Welcome back to the VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel. My name is Dr. José Miguel Santelices, and I am here today to share a vocal tip for you that is going to take your singing to the next level. Whether you're a beginner just finding your voice or a seasoned performer, this tip is for you. Disclaimer time. All of the exercises and tips at VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel are meant to be performed under the supervision of a professional. If you're not taking voice lessons, make sure you find a voice teacher that you trust and work under their supervision. Whenever something hurts or doesn't feel right, stop it right away. Singing should never hurt. Never. And now, back to more vocal tips. How many times have you felt that your voice sounded hoarse or perhaps tired? Have you ever considered how much water are you drinking? This here, my friends, it's your best friend. You want to make sure you hydrate properly, not only the day you get to sing, but also the day before you get to sing. Hydration helps us so much, so make sure you drink your water and you keep hydrated. Avoid caffeinated drinks, avoid alcohol, especially the day before a performance and the day of a performance. Make sure you get plenty of sleep, and ultimately, learn what works for you. Always strive to know your voice better than anyone else. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. And if you would like to learn more about VOCES Academy of the Arts or enroll in voice lessons, check out the links in the description below. Let's embark on this artistic journey together, because here at VOCES, every voice matters.